Hello and welcome back to Seaside Garage. Let's finish off the Puch Maxi. In the previous video I got it started up and working okay, but when giving the moped full throttle it bogged down. The throttle was working fine up until halfway point or a bit above. Above that point it would just die out. That normally points towards the jet being the wrong size, because at that point it's pretty much just the jet that does the work. So I took a look at that and let me show you what I found. Well, actually I didn't find anything wrong with the jet. The jet was a size 52, which is quite small but not uncommon on these mopeds. In my country, mopeds can't go too fast. They can only be allowed to go 30 kilometers per hour, and the mopeds are therefore restricted quite a lot. And the challenge for the moped manufacturers is to make it so it can pull you up a hill and still not go faster than 30. But one of the ways it's done on the Puch, among other things, there is a restriction in the exhaust system as far as I know. And in the inlet right in here is a ring that restricts the airflow. But another part, let me take this screw out. But another part is the air filter. The air filter is also restricting the airflow, and it's done by this little nozzle that restricts the inlet port on the air filter. This is actually missing something, because normally there will be a plastic flex line on this, and on the end of that there will be another restrictor. That one is missing on this bike. So I realized, because it missed this restrictor thing, that the engine was getting or seeing more air than the jet was actually capable of living up to. So I changed the jet from a 52 to a 54, which is not a big improvement, but just a little bit, and that made all the difference. Now it runs perfectly and you can give it full throttle, no problems. And yeah, it's not exceeding 30 kilometers either, so that is also good. And the front of the bike was quite loose. It turned out that the bolts up here was not tightened up, so it was completely wobbly. It is still a little bit wobbly, but not all as bad, so I'm not going to do much more about that. It needs some new brake shoes. But I'm not going to do anything about that either, because this was just because the owner just asked me to get it to run and run right, and it does that now. So this was just a small video, but this will be all for this Puch Maxi. Let's take it for a spin and then get on with all the other projects. See you in the next one.